Hello and welcome back. Today we will open up and look inside of new Merkava 2D from Takom in 35 scale. Let's just look at this beautiful art box, just a masterpiece. Got me to pre-order this kit. Very nice. Here we have 4 marking options for this vehicle. Of course, its the main color is the same, but only different tactical markings. We have really decent amount of parts for non-interior kits, so lots of sprues, lots of plastic, and of course lots of details for this model, which is always lovely to have. Okay, let's see what we have inside. Of course, first and important instructions. Standard Takom instruction, basic info about the vehicle on a front page. Of course, all the parts, and standard straightforward Takom instructions without colors, which a bit of shame. It will be nice to have colors for new details, but still it looks really clear, and I think without too much mistakes. Okay, track assembly, you can see how much details this kit have. Yeah, here's a strange part. We have a photo edge part for rare baskets, but also after the photo edge we have a standard plastic piece, which is kind of strange. I don't see the point, but let's look how it will look on build model. Marking options again. Main body is a bathtub hull type, so 2 parts, upper and lower. It looks extremely nice. Of course, without anti-slip, it's kind of rough texture, but still it's not an real anti-slip, so if you want to make it look more realistic, you will need to use additional chemicals to simulate a rough anti-slip cover. Anyways, looks extremely detailed, even without all additional parts we need to attach. The only thing that's all over this model is these huge pin marks. I don't know if it's called pin marks or injection marks, so you need to take them down before assembly, but nothing too critical, just strange to have them. Lots of clear parts, all periscopes, all scopes, looks nice. Really lovely detail is this track templates. It's super easy and super nice to build tracks on this part and not on a fully built model. Here we have all additional extra armor because it's a heavy version of regular Merkava 2B. All chains. It looks really nice, even if you don't want to make it from aftermarket parts, it still looks really nice. The side skirt, also a heavy version of them, lovely detailed. Even you have small numbers in front of every plate, that's like in real life, so cool to have it. Suspension parts, all springs and shock absorbers. It's nice that all trucks have these small holders, all additional trucks, so it will be look more realistic on the models than just regular trucks without the holders that you need to make from scratch or aftermarket. Turret part, that's how it's kinda look without extra armor. Yeah, it's totally new part, not from the previous version. Gun barrel made from 2 parts, kinda obviously because all this shape, it will be hard to make it as one piece, but it's not gonna be a problem to build it. And yeah, it's cool, nothing too critical. Of course you can buy a metal barrel, but still I think this one will look just cool as it. Max, all gun parts, additional armor for the tank belly. It's protect against mines and everything. Here's a turret extra armor. It's totally flat, so you need to add the anti-slip for it. And the basket part. This looks like kinda looks like they missed a part, but no, it's just okay. But yeah, it can be confusing. Again, additional tracks with holders, and you have a little bit of pin marks on each track, but still it's take a few seconds to take it down, so not a problem at all. Hatches, rare baskets. Yeah, that's a plastic part. I thought it's going after the PA part. Jerry cans, road wheels. All road wheels, each one made from 2 or 3 parts. Yeah, looks like 2 parts for each one. We have 2 sprues of these road wheels. Again, some of the suspension parts, some hatches, all small details. Yeah, focus is important. All again jerry cans, as you can see, lots of details for this kit. Mag again, lots of machine guns on these air tanks. And my favorite is Lincoln Link tracks. Looks super detailed. Looks very nice. Few pin marks on length parts, and on each track we have pin marks. But as I said, it takes only a few seconds to take them down. So I think in like hour or two you will have all track built up, clean and beautiful. Metal tow cable. Always a nice feature to have. To have a metal chain, it's also great, and it looks realistic, like it's in real life. So great to have it. Small PA part, and not too many, but still looks nice. Some for rear and the turret basket. Decals, just standard Takom decals, not too much of them, only tactical markings. Looks okay. We will not open it up, but just regular decals, nothing special. And this metal part, I honestly don't know what is this part and what it's for. It's mentioned on instruction on a part list, but I didn't find an instruction when I can use this part. So if you know, let me know in the comments if you know where I can use this part, where I will build this model, because I honestly don't know what I need to do with it. And thank you for watching.